Aloha, sweet pals. Welcome to the 5 to 4s with their final pretty tutorial. So today we show up what we will do for the next 4 upcoming workshops you can book for. Spanish ukulele style, especially made for the low G and baritone ukulele. So you can play the regular standard ukulele in soprani, concert or tenor size, or my beloved baritone. And today we improvise a little bit more on our Andalusian cadence and all the strumming and picking pattern we learned. And the song Don Quixote I wrote, so I play some elements of it and Patrick is accompanying me. So go ahead, get an impression. And if you want, like us, share us, comment, and book our workshop for Spanish ukulele. Have fun!
So this was just a little example how tones you can use for the playback Doña gave us. And if you're interested in the Spanish style or in the scales, so I just used, so let us know, because we are planning our first workshop and the workshop starts I think in 2 weeks or so. So let us know if you're interested and feel free to book. So would be nice to see you there. So have a good weekend.